everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Teacher Globetrotter. I'm in Rome for the Jubilee year. The highlight of this trip was the Mass that I attended in St. Peter's Square for the Jubilee of Marian spirituality. It was presided by Pope Leo XIV. The original image of Our Lady of Fatima was brought to the Vatican for this Mass. Another highlight is a close encounter with Pope Leo XIV. So what exactly is the Jubilee year? It is Holy Year in the Catholic Church, a time for pilgrimage, forgiveness, and renewal. And at the heart of it all are the holy doors, which are only open during Jubilee years. There are four major basilicas in Rome, each with its own holy door. And guess what? We visited all four. Let's start with the big one, St. Peter's Basilica. St. Peter's Basilica is a massive Renaissance and Baroque church built on the burial site of St. Peter, featuring iconic works like Michelangelo's Pieta. And it was constructed between 1506 and 1626. Its dome, designed by Michelangelo, is one of the biggest in the world. St. Paul outside the walls. This basilica marks the burial place of St. Paul the Apostle. It was almost completely destroyed by a fire in 1823. What you see today is an incredible 19th century reconstruction, but they saved what mattered most: Paul's tomb, the stunning mosaic, and the majestic courtyard with a statue of St. Paul holding a sword. And above the columns, portraits of every single pope in history. Every single one. St. John Lateran. Surprise! This is actually the Cathedral of Rome, not St. Peter's. That means it's the Pope's church as the Bishop of Rome. It was the first Christian basilica ever built, commissioned by Constantine in the 4th century. St. Mary Major. It is the largest Marian church in Rome. Legend says the Virgin Mary appeared in a dream to Pope Liberius and a Roman nobleman and told them to build the church where snow would fall in August. And it did. So they built this stunning basilica, which still has ancient Byzantine mosaics from the 5th century. That's over 1,500 years of art staring back at us. Also, it houses a relic said to be pieces of Jesus' manger. Yes, the actual manger. Inside St. Mary Major is the Pauline Chapel. The Pauline Chapel is a favorite of the late Pope Francis. It houses the venerated Byzantine icon of the Salus Populi Romani, protectress, savior of the Roman people. The chapel is central to his faith because he considers this icon to be his favorite icon and has a long-standing devotion to it, visiting it before and after his papal trips. So there you have it, four basilicas, each with its own history. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring.